Hello everyone, Tom here from Smartland, and today we're going to be taking a tour of our latest investment opportunity here in Maple Heights, Ohio. Today we're going to be taking a tour of 18201 Hazelwood Avenue in beautiful Maple Heights, Ohio. This property is fantastic. It has been renovated all throughout. It has all new flooring in every room. We also installed new light fixtures in each room. There's new paint on every wall. We also updated the bathroom. There's a new hot water tank. This house also has a brand new driveway with a complete 2-car garage at the end. This property is available for $95,000. We think it's gonna rent for about $10.25 a month. Here we are in the kitchen. This has also been fully renovated. It has brand new shaker cabinets, new countertops. We also installed a new sink and brand new stainless steel appliances. So come on, let's just go take a look at the rest of this property.